Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a body like Danish Zehen. First, understand that consistency is key for any fitness goal. It's not about quick fixes, but about sustainable habits. We'll cover the foundational elements: a smart diet, effective workouts, and the importance of recovery. This approach will help you build a lean, athletic physique, focusing on practical steps you can start today. Nutrition plays a huge role in shaping your body. Aim for a diet rich in lean protein to support muscle repair and growth. Don't forget complex carbohydrates for energy and healthy fats for overall well-being. Think about eating whole, unprocessed foods most of the time. Hydration is also crucial. Drink plenty of water daily to support all bodily functions. For your workouts, focus on a mix of strength training and cardio. Strength training builds muscle, which is essential for that toned look. Compound movements are great because they work multiple muscle groups at once. Also, consider adding some high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, for about 20 minutes a few times a week to boost fat burning and improve endurance. Finally, don't underestimate the power of recovery. Your muscles grow and repair when you rest, so aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Stress management is also vital for your overall health and fitness journey. Remember, making lasting changes takes time and consistent effort. Stick with these principles, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your fitness goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.